Hey guys, it's Neil from N.P. Detailing. Today I'm doing a carbon clean on my own car. Just a quick video to show you what's involved, the machine I use, and also how to set it up. Simple little step, effective results, good MPG, smoother driving, better performance, all positives on the engine. So check it out. Don't forget to hit subscribe, click the notification bell. I'm going to be doing loads more videos, keep you updated, so make sure you hit subscribe, and thanks for watching again. Cheers. So here we have my 2005 BMW E46. It's just hit 100,000 miles. I've done a clean before on it, but recently I've taken the EGR valve out, delete, and it's got quite a bit of carbon built up inside the manifold. It runs great, a little bit sluggish, probably the old build up of carbon inside that. So I thought I'd give it a bit of a help to push the carbon out. So here's the machine. ECS made, Scottish company, really great guys. They've developed this machine, really small. It's literally the size, I would say, of a A4 piece of paper. A lot of guys out there doing carbon cleans, they've got massive machines, need a van. This, I can leave it in the footwell, drive the car and do a live clean, which is amazing. There you got the ampage. The higher the ampage, the more the gas. Got two chambers. One has cleaning agent in it, which turns to gas. This has distilled water. The machine makes hydrogen gas, mixes the cleaning agent into a gas with it, transports it through the hose straight into the air intake. So yeah, have a look at the back. It's run off a 12 volts off the car battery, which is amazing again. You don't need a plug, no extensions, none of that. So yeah. So just a quick short video for you guys who are watching, who are interested in getting a carbon clean. Definitely worth it. I've done over 100 vehicles, all different types, motorcycles. This machine does 50 cc's to 6.5 litre engines, I believe. Highest I've done is 5.7 V8 Dodge Ram, American vehicle, and it went like a rocket. Every vehicle is different depending on the engine makeup. Obviously, if it's a 1 litre vehicle, you will feel a bit of a difference, but not such like a Porsche 911 or something like that, or even diesels. You'll find it quite effective because it relies on the turbo for the boost. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, click the notification bell, and I can keep you posted with some new videos, and you'll get to know when they're up there. Thanks for watching again, guys.